Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about the Toad Pepe token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, the Toad Pepe, the first Pepe was a toad in 1988. Let Toad Pepe appeared on Carlitos Bala's Argentine children's show. A green toad in a red shirt and yellow suspenders, charming living rooms decades before anyone drawn an internet frog. The fandom wiki even claims this toad was based on the 2025 frog. History running backwards. The truth is simpler. Every first Pepe you have heard of comes second. Toad Pepe is that legend, reborn as a community coin on Solana. The Toad Pepe project institution rating is 3.4. The Toad Pepe token total supply is 960.57 million and circulating supply is also 960.57 million Toad token. Toad token is listed on MEXC, LBank, KCX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chance is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.